Hey friends, I need you to get out your dominoes. Now, you've got 3 pages of dominoes recently. They're on either thick cardstock or really bright paper. The first thing I want you to do is find the one that has 0 all the way to a 6 on both sides. You're going to take this and you're going to cut out the dominoes. Now, why don't you pause the video so that you can cut out these dominoes. Great, are you done? Perfect. So you're going to take these and either put them in a baggie or paper clip them. You're going to want to save them because you're going to need them for many activities that we do. Now, you have 2 other bright sheets, and you'll notice these dominoes have way more dots. Okay, so now you're going to take these and cut these apart. All right, pause the video. All right, here's mine. Look what I'm going to do. I'm either going to rubber band them or I'm going to keep them in a baggie and keep them safe so that I have them for other games that we're going to play. I'm sorry that you guys have to have paper dominoes, but we couldn't afford to get everybody 2 sets of dominoes. So this set, the one with less, they're called double 6 dominoes. And that means that each side only goes to 6, okay? So double 6 means that on each side, the most you could have on 1/2 is 6, just like the book that we read. These were double 6 dominoes. Your baggie that has more, mine are orange, some of you have other colors, are double 9 dominoes. That means that each side can go up to 9, okay? So put those in a safe place. Right now, I want you to get your double 6 dominoes. And I'm going to show you how you can play dominoes, okay? So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, friends, now that we have got our materials all taken care of, we're going to take our dominoes out and we are going to make sure that they are turned over so we can't see the dots. Okay, you need to get a partner. So get a partner, and you each start with 7 dominoes. So I'll take my 7, and my partner would take their 7. And the rest you're going to kind of leave. You can put them in if you have real dominoes, you can't really stack them up, but you can put these in a pile for now. Okay? So this is what happens. You lay a domino out. And I have 6 on one side and 3 on the other side. So my partner isn't going to show me their dominoes, but I'm going to take a look and I'm going to see, oh, look it, I have a match. So I'm going to lay my match out. This is probably best played on the floor because it can spread out. So now it's my partner's turn and they're going to look and see, and oh my goodness, they have a match as well. Better yet, if you have a double, you can play it like that. Okay. So now it's my turn again. And oh, I have a 6 match. I can go. Okay. So now my partner can either lay 4 here or a 0. Let's see. Oh. Here's the 4. They can go. Now I have to have at least a 0 or I cannot go. Phew, look at that. And the game goes on until either one person cannot make a move. Okay? Now you can play it a couple of ways. You can, if you can't move a domino or make a move, then you can get a domino from the ones that aren't being used. Okay? Or you might just see who has less dominoes left and they win. Okay? So it's up to you.